Alright, depending on your time zone and your location. Today's court sitting for MAZI NNAMDI Kanu'S case has actually come to an end. And from the post here from Vanguard, the update says, court fixed Friday for MAZI NNAMDI Kanu to open defense to federal government terrorism charge. Alright, I'll stop there for now. The news of some of his lawyers resigning. Video could see that now Punch News, Vanguard News, and some other news. Kahasi Wede Hasina Agabi resigned. So, but from the updates, the reliable update I know from Agabi himself, he said it in this particular video that MAZI NNAMDI Kanu Bonyesi Hancha ha resign ha Pori na case that he is ready to defend himself. So disregard the news of Nana Wage that they resigned out of anything. MAZI NNAMDI Kanu no where BS not actually defend where, and he stated his reasons. He stated his reasons that some of these lawyers, we cannot join mention names, only from the kind of names and half and Orogabia courts to stand as his witness in a court. He actually mentioned a whole lot of people. So from this particular video, from Kanu Agabi, Kosi Wekuya no direct after the court sitting today. Kono Nifo, Kosi Wekuya no MAZI NNAMDI Kanu Bihe Seha Poriana case. Now I'm actually defending where. For some of you now, the video, listen to the video before I continue what I want to say.
Number of votes NNAMDI has decided to conduct his defense by himself. He has a right to do so. We respect that decision and we wish him well going forward. That's all.
Okay, sir. No reaction for you. Okay, sir.
Alright, I'm going to Nabu. So disregard the only na his lead counsel for our case. No, MAZI NNAMDI Kanu Bonye order. And look at his reason. I saw this update from Igbo Times magazine. The update says, breaking news. I am defending myself because my lawyers are too afraid to mention names. I will say it live here in the courtroom. When I am done with Nigeria, then I can die in peace. NNAMDI Kanu declares, turns court into a battlefield, vows to expose hidden truths that will shake the nation to its core. Lagos State traditional ruler Oba Rilwan Akiolu warns federal government of the danger ahead. NNAMDI Kanu defending himself in court is the boldest and riskiest move Nigeria has ever witnessed since its creation. Have you ever heard that man speak on Radio Biafra on radio before? He calls names that most lawyers are too afraid to mention and blasts everything without fear or filter. Now that he's standing alone in court, his storm's waiting to happen. Because he is not a lawyer, you can't hold him back with legal boundaries. NNAMDI Kanu keeps outplaying Nigeria step by step. Okay, Kanu defending himself in court is deeper than people think, said a source close to the case. His lawyer didn't just step aside. There is serious tension about what might be revealed in court. He wants to speak for himself, mention names like Wike, Sanwo-Olu, and Buratai, and uncover hidden truths that could shake the foundation of the nation. It's dangerous, but it shows he is done with being filtered. He wants the truth raw, straight, and loud. Observer says this case has gone beyond legal arguments. It is now a battle of truth versus power, courage versus fear. Alright, when I'm done with Nigeria in this court case, then I can die peace, Kanu reportedly said, sending shockwaves through both his supporters and his enemies. Alright, Inekwanya from Guardian, if NNAMDI Kanu plans defense was stalled after he abruptly dismissed his legal team. He was the one that dismissed his legal team. Inekwanya from Symphony News, they said, breaking, NNAMDI Kanu sacks all his counsel, says he will defend himself. So when you no hama withdrawal onwe ha basi konya na agwagi. MAZI NNAMDI Kanu was the one that actually said they should leave Maka. The level by now, but level of Sorogede, level of Dom Kandogo, level of Eve versus even in all the hidden truths. One now, this thing they now yabuna get shock or yabuna get surprise. MAZI NNAMDI Kanu me phone me. Okay, kwado before we be DJ. Yes, and it is very very obvious with actually what is playing out now. So I'm going to play a video from one of his lead counsel, one of his barristers are also in court today. Kono nukosi we call after ife merion on a court. When we hear any of the lead counsel kuroku today, MAZI NNAMDI Kanu spoke for himself, and the defense will begin on Friday, I think, on Friday, the 26th day of October 2025. The defense gave it. So MAZI NNAMDI Kanu is fully ready. All the 23 list of names are on Hancha appeared on a court to stand as witness. He said after saying all these things, after revealing all this truth, he will die a peaceful man. So watch this video from his late counsel Kenokwa Ifokru na this video. I don't want to say much. After watching the video, do well to share your thoughts and opinion on the comment section in NNAMDI Kanu'S. But this is the time he needs our prayer more than everything. So pray in the comment section and also wish him well in this journey, in the history of Nigeria. It won't be a case like this that the person I name accused is saying he wants to defend himself. Watch this video. I don't want to say much. After watching it, do well to share it. I will be right back.
Thank you very much, and good day to all lovers of freedom. My name is NNAMDI. I'm one of the lawyers to MAZI. Today being the 23rd of October 2025, MAZI opted to defend himself in open court. Processes had been filed and motions had been moved. So he filed a motion challenging the jurisdiction of the court. And after the motion was moved by himself, according to what we heard, because when he asked that he would defend himself, the judge directed or ordered that all his lawyers who had appeared with him or for him before now should leave the courtroom. So we all left, except the senior advocates of Nigeria, who my lord ordered to sit back, and they sat back. So, but we left as directed by court, and MAZI, as we later heard, moved the motion, which he filed by himself, challenging the jurisdiction of the court. I understand that the court insisted that it has jurisdiction and continued to hear the matter. We also were informed that he raised the issue of his medical certificate of fitness issued by the Nigerian Medical Association. And he drew the attention of the court to the fact that the Nigerian Medical Association issued a certificate of fitness on the 23rd of September 2025, whereas the court made an order for the Nigerian Medical Association to do that report on the 26th. So we noticed that the medical report came long before the order of court was made. And MAZI's position is that that medical report is not the one ordered by the court, and that the medical report is corrupted. But because on the last date before today, when we appeared in court and that medical report was tendered, the lawyers, we didn't object to that medical report. Possibly it's an oversight, I think. And so my lord said that since he had ruled on that medical report, he is fortis official, he can no longer go back to that medical report, and ordered him to go ahead to present his defense. We understand also that Dr. Nyechi stood up and intervened as a friend of court and requested my lord to grant MAZI some time to reflect and maybe constitute another team of lawyers that will lead his defense team. So be that as it may, the case is still on. It's adjourned to tomorrow, 24th October 2025. Hopefully we will be around. If the court permits us to come inside, we will come inside, but if not, then we'll just hang around and try to get information as to what transpired. So as of today, NNAMDI has briefed us as his lawyers for this particular case, not for all cases, but for this particular case. So hopefully by tomorrow, he might have to reconstitute another team. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, yeah. My name is Prince Elias Odemena. I am the convener of the Igbo Union in the Kondi Igbo. Please, I want to debunk the stories going around the town because of the protest show a Yoruba man called. They say that the Igbos abandoned NNAMDI Kalu. That is a false statement. We, the Igbos, we are 100% behind our brother MAZI NNAMDI Kalu. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay,
very much.
All right, thank you.